Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can dual-lead GTA San Andreas on your Android phone. The first thing we are go is to our Play Store application. We are going to go the games taught here and games section, and once we are here we are going to go where it says successful list, top charts and top free, and select top paid. In here, once the game will appear, select Grand Theft Auto, and we are going to go and we can pay it contract in GTA with debit or credit. Another option is Play Store. Select Play Store and we search here GTA San Andreas. We search and select the application. Hang on a second, select this and we can pay here. This is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it.